Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Hakasin baningkong ke Don Bosco Youth Center hapo ke jingpat jingkmi jong Director Father Michael Makri. Haringkat Assistant Professor Jacob Shilla ke St. Anthony's College. Kelas shim ke St. Jam ban penlong ke jing ai jing hikai A lani ke free coaching class ki samla ke barang penkre ya ke kuat exam. Kabalong man la ke singisat jan Don Bosco Youth Center laj khra Shillong. Habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor na kalyang Assistant Professor Jacob Shilla ulaong bakumbalai spa angut ki samla ki balawan ban register hagani ki coaching class Henry ki balawan poipat ki don tang ar spa angut AA badulaong bahagini ki tayo bala penlong ye ki jingshim class la yo ban hikai ki kena kumno bakin pen kre ye ki examen kuet habayo banyak keren bat katto kat ningut ki kena samla kiliat hu bakani ke coaching class kaya rap shibun ye ki bat ki yoru ye shibun ki jing mentoy bat ki da ai kubleru ye director ke Don Bosco Youth Center bat yo Professor Jacob Shilla ki belayo i jingai bat perkat de lenti ban penlong ye ke jingai jing kai ai shaki kena ki ba pen kre ya kani ke examen bat ki la ong balingba kani ke jingai jing kai ki sngo scam ban lai tho ye ke examen kuet bat kila ongru baladon kiba kum gidi jing ajing hikai kan yarap shibon kamtam ya kina puli kiba puli ha ki school kiba long kam kendong kiba mda tip ha ka bay day bat ki core computer
kakating jonga ngade I me bal icon simle ma shonga sa ngade na kasnong try nong nam sa hani ha political chlong ya man ha kani ka training juga facility ba iyo ngai ba ka free coaching class tenga yo shubun ki jing toy ha ka jing sha ngala du chikanan bangan wan hang bangan yo ban tho ya ka city hande ublim shina ino yangi ki ba pun ki ba jinjar mo ki yo ya ka lat ba ki man ba nakani ka training wala ngi yo atang khande ko le sto ba ngi shubun ki jing toy na puli ha sin Margaret High School ngalai commerce stream dan ngadang abdi sor nadu bangate bangi dan nihaban apya biang ne kasiti dan yodi soru tenga na pesang hiwan syukre hidala dia kabala haka jisha nga smuting namar baki ong bakasiti ka eba namar ka long kelak ka long kulum lang baro andre nadu bangawan nakani ka training tenga stu bangala pande shanya oble kiki baro
Pagkating alban doling nga sa po mukhamin doon bat nga on school niya po St. Anthony's High Secondary School pamantang ng Amerika Resort of nga di siya awan tali class ni de when di sini pala nga ipo utos bubu fado nga why free sweetie coaching di nga ito tanga halak ay nga 10 tanga small joy pa kay rap hay na ito hot na maba fado wi so Jacob long kilay ko valong ka pen and paper bat ka computer ru je ka bakam kung saan nang hindi computer namar computer ka burkam di bur ki step ki ve shua ko blay father bisa Jacob namar balong ki ai platform namar ki ru di ba kam e di platform ka pang ban nyarap ni lo ki ban nyele ni ka suiti ban ni la le thare biet pen and paper la ni ka computer base ru namar kini ki coaching class so long namar lo me ki long kin hap ni ko nom na la diru te kabahas pala de lada nakikila bikin ay na mas pakarang di first time yan ka fiso ka kamram ni ngaso ini wi coaching class ti ka biang na daki ay free ru kumbo de fada ni tamba ka dikaris fi kong ano itu kan ba mo makilong kinapsin na pala jong hi bikin ay training ti takadaw lada ki ay free ru ka biang tama dagi shim pisaro long kinapan ni tadi takadaw mansira kanya nga persami man kaya na ladiru so jika pu ila ai ki website ai ban inyo ki free books so online yo ban pulei ai te mini ti preparation na hable hi long line na kai ba so jika bi kai class te api na yen.
My name is Han Wilson. I'm studying in St. Anthony's High Secondary in class 12 commerce section B and I live in Lemka like November Beach House and I'm a student. I would say that first of all, I didn't know much about the procedure to study and how to write. So through these classes, Mr. Jacob Shulai and Father has arranged, I think I learned a lot, and some parts which I wasn't sure, he really made me confident about them, and he has helped me with many things like the exam centers, like format, the OMR, CBT base. I think I've learned about them, and I feel like I'm a bit more confident now. I'm not facing any of those problems because I think I'm blessed. I say I'm blessed. But yeah, I guess there's no problems for me right now. But studying is the main issue. It's difficult to get motivation, but I'm trying my best.
Okay, so the CUT exams will be held from the 15th of May to the 24th of May. From the 15th of May till the 18th of May, the pen and paper format will be conducted, and on the 21st, 22nd, and 24th, the computer-based test will be conducted. So this is as per the latest NTA notifications that we have received from its website, and this information has been conveyed to the students. And so today what we have done is we have separated the 200 students into two different groups. We had 130 students who will be appearing in the pen and paper format, and another 30 to 40 students will be appearing in the CBT test format. For this year, from what we can understand, the CUT UG test could be manageable. I say manageable because we have seen the question pattern, so students are familiar with the question pattern to a certain extent. Students coming from schools which have NCERT's curriculum as their curriculum are familiar with some of the test subjects that they will be, test questions that they will be facing. But students coming from other boards which do not have the NCERT textbooks and curriculum may find some problems. So because of that, what we've done is we have made the textbooks, the NCERT textbooks, freely available to the students by directing them to the ncert.nic.in website. Now, the students are very hopeful. They are working very hard, very sincere. We also understand that there are some students who come from the rural areas. They might be facing some problems because, first of all, they need access to computers so that they'll be able to access the materials, the reading materials. They will need access to the internet so that they will be able to download these materials. So some of them might be facing a little bit of a problem. But what we have done at DBIC through Father Makri's initiative is that he has opened the lab to them, and they can, any student who would like to prepare for the CUT UG can walk into the lab and make use of any of the computer systems that are here under the supervision of Father Makri. And so this is what we have done today. We have seen some students who are very new, they have never used a computer before. So we have taught them how to use the mouse, how to access the internet, and how to answer questions. So on the whole, I see these 200 students have come, they look very hopeful, they're very positive, they're working very hard. And they're asking a lot of questions, which are also very good because we're able to give them guidance and appropriate guidance at the same time. So they are working very hard. They are downloading materials. They are asking questions. So I know that they will try their best.